Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel today. So today I kind of want to do a test of what can this battery pack do. I guess that's what we're going to call it. I was talking to my mom the other night and I was like, hey, I think I'm going to get us a battery pack from Harbor Freight. There's one up there for like $60, $70. And I've seen these things in use before, like when I was like working on tractors and stuff. And you can plug them battery boxes into them tractors, and it'll definitely get them tractors spinning over, especially like a big Ford 7000, which is it's a pretty big size 6-cylinder engine. It's a diesel as well, so it definitely takes a good bit to get that thing cranked over, especially if it's been sitting for like 10, 15 years out in the field somewhere. So I was definitely impressed with it. So I went and got, well, I didn't go get it, I told my mom about it. My mom was like, okay, I'll go get it right now. I was like, wait, I was gonna buy that, but I appreciate it. So the next morning I woke up and I come in, I like walk in like the hangout room, like where I made some other videos, and I'm like, what is this? She's like, I went and got it. I was like, okay, thanks. Okay, so the black truck obviously cranks and runs, right? So it's actually the blue truck. The blue truck, it pretty much just sits there. I don't drive it maybe once a month, and I'm fixing to get it ready to sell. I keep saying that, but I don't. But I'm fixing to actually sell the fucking truck. Like I finally fixed the transmission on it and everything. It's good to go now. So yeah, definitely. So today, I guess it's kind of like a test, and I guess I was kind of like talk, and I'm pretty excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the box. Here's the box right here. It's like a 4-in-1 type thing. You got like a USB thing right here. This turns on and off of like the battery charging. Has a DC 12 volt socket. I guess it's like cigarette lighter type shit. And obviously you have an air pump on the back, which I'm kind of curious about. It's kind of loud actually. Then obviously you have your two terminals right here, and they have like a fancy like little light. Pop, pop. Hey, you guys have a seizure in the middle of the video. Let me put this down. So I know it says wait 5 minutes. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go set up the tripod over there, and I'm gonna get everything fucking set up, and I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. Yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. I have everything plugged in now. What's kind of weird though is when it was plugged inside, the box was still like green. And I guess that's kind of like a size comparison. It's kind of heavy, not really, but you know, it's definitely for like a smaller person. It's kind of heavy. There's like a cheaper one that's like a 3-in-1, but why not spend like the extra $20 and get the 4-in-1? And I can't remember what the fuck was like the extra $20. Maybe like the tire, the air compressor, but the tire. This thing that fills the fucking tire up. Damn, I don't know. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. Hopefully this will start. It did say wait 5 minutes, so I'm definitely gonna wait for that. I put it on 235, so I'm gonna wait till 240. What kind of does scare me though is, what I'm not really sure about is, it was charging all night, right? And it said green light. Like while I was charging, it said like a solid state green light. Maybe I should have read the directions a little bit more, but I'm gonna see if it'll crank it on a yellow charge. If this will crank a 12 valve on a yellow light, it'd definitely crank any car or tractor. If you want to jump some tractors off, it definitely crank those over at green light. So we definitely find out. I'm not expecting to sit here and like yap around for like 20 minutes, so definitely excited. Also I guess weather's kind of important right now too, because it's kind of harder to turn over a cold diesel. It's actually feeling really nice out here. As you can tell, I'm in shorts and a tank top. It's like 70 degrees maybe. Shit, I don't even know, bro. It feels amazing right now. Yeah, I'll come back, guys, once I'm ready to start this up, and maybe I might embarrass myself. I don't know. And if that doesn't work, I'll have to go get the black truck over here, and I'll plug in the black truck and I'll get it fixed that way. Okay. Interesting thing now. Maybe I should have read the directions first, but now the battery light on the jump box is green. Maybe that's the battery life of the actual charge of the batteries inside the truck. So right now what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to start this fucking bitch. It ain't been started in a... Why did I say it like that? Why did I say it so aggressive? It's been a good truck. Damn, I'm sorry, bro. That was kind of rough. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to crank it. See if this jump back actually works. Another note too is like, it's not like, this isn't like an instant thing. Like you just plug it in and it like goes. You have to like let it sit there for a minute. And so like, yeah, let's see if it cranks now, because it was dead. And I guess I should have showed you it was dead first, but you can take my word. Believe me or don't believe me. I'm telling you it was dead though. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me right now, but I guess I'll look at the audio after this. I definitely did jump it off. The batteries weren't like completely dead, because you know they are bigger batteries for a diesel truck, but damn, they definitely weren't cranking the other day. That's pretty cool. Now we have a thing. I mean, I could have drove the black truck over here, but I feel like it's pretty convenient to have one of these in case you don't have anybody on hand to help, you know, come start your car. And yeah, it's pretty fucking dope. Okay, just took the truck for a short drive. I haven't driven in a while, so I like to drive it every now and then, even though I don't drive it like once a month. Damn, boy. Well, I done gave this route to business right here. I was trying to back into the yard, and you know how like the truck like won't go over the curb, but sometimes you just give it gas knowing it won't go, but you just fucking do it anyway because you a guy. I did that, and boy, I gave that route to business. Route met the mud tires. Okay, guys. Yeah, thank you guys for watching so much. If you guys have any questions about the jump box, just definitely let me know. I mean, it did what it needed to do. And here's the black truck. God damn, bro, the fucking black truck's so damn beautiful. Fuck, bro, I can't ever get over that. I need to definitely get some different rims. Them bitches is ugly, bro. But yeah, you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Here's a fucking stack. My neighbors hate me, bro. They're like this piece of shit right here. He needs to get a gasser. But if I did get a gasser, it'd be like, you know, like a fucking V8. And obviously, them pipes be getting cut out really quick. Y'all seen that meme? It was like the first thing I do when I get home, I'm gonna cut them pipes out. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much. All right, I swear to God, this is like the last thing I'm gonna say. Have a great day. Okay, I'm gonna close the video.